Dear students, it's time to start learning seamlessly with our two new convenient payment options, EMI option at 0% interest and buy now, pay later. Let's understand how it works. To avail the EMI at 0% interest option, choose your preferred course and select the EMI option. Once selected, click on Walnut 369. Next, you'll have to click on Get OTP and enter the OTP. Once done, you have to enter your PAN number and date of birth. Once added, then click on Continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your Aadhaar card number for KYC verification. Note, PAN and Aadhaar number should be of the person with whose number you have registered on the app. Enter the OTP and click on Continue to proceed further. And select the preferred EMI tenure amongst 3, 6 or 9 months. Once selected, you'll have to click on Agree and continue to go ahead. Enter your UPI ID to verify the same and click on the Pay tab below. The payment will be done and you can start studying from here on. To avail of the Pay Later option, you have to select the EMI option and select the 1 month tenure option. Then click on Complete Purchase. That's it. You will have to pay the respective course amount after a month. Get going and enroll in the top selling courses now. Thanks for watching.